I'm delighted to be chairing this group. The aim of the group is to strengthen and deepen the approach to embedding the contributions and experiences of Black and minority ethnic communities in the new national curriculum. The challenge is to create a presence for Black and minority ethnic groups across the 6 areas of learning and experience in the new curriculum, so that we can hear their voices, that we can know of their experiences, and we can acknowledge their history and contributions past and present. It's my view that adding little bits of Black history here and there in the curriculum isn't what this is about. This is an opportunity to reimagine learning and teaching across the curriculum so that it reflects a Wales that is internationalist in its outlook, progressive in its thinking, and multi-ethnic. To achieve this, we need to support schools and we need to support teachers to think about the types of materials that they will need to deliver on these expectations. This is a very progressive development and a very exciting one, and I'm honoured to be part of it.